think the two things that are harder than they appear to be is to get the timing of the stall to be roughly at the height of the foot, and then to have them parallel to each other while you're doing it. I think it just seems like it should be easier than it sometimes actually ends up being, because you have to have precision with the stalls to get it like that. So if you want a more energetic exercise, what I was just doing is probably the way to go, where you do one and up and one and up and one and up. That won't account for the movement portion of it, but the movement portion of it could help with getting the timing, I think. If we do this one, if you're in, well, I want you to be able to see the leg. So I guess if you face this way with me, you're gonna stall the foot that I can't see, but I'm gonna stall the foot that you can see. So your right hand is underhand, your left hand is overhand. And what you'll do is you'll stall your right poi forward, and as you do, kick. And I'm doing a little bit of a back bend with it because I think it's a fun way to do it, but that might not be an expression that naturally matches your world. And in fact, you don't even have to do this from opposite direction. You could do this from same direction. So like if you start the first one in opposite direction with the left over and the right under, left over, right under, so side opposite left, and then you stall, kick, sweep back, come out this way, you can stall, kick again with both of them from underhand. So it's a fun double stall combo. So let's do the footwork for it first. What we'll do with the first part is you're going to kick like that, add the back bend if you want, make sure you're pointing your toe. So you're coming up and down, then you're going to sweep back, and I guess it probably makes more sense to turn toward the audience, so we should turn to the right, sweep back this way, which is not what I did a minute ago. And then when you come out on this side and underhand, we'll stall the left leg forward, so which also works, right? Because you have gone into your T stance, your weight is on your right foot, come around and kick your left one up as you do the double stall. And then you could just repeat that from here, where you sweep back, come underhand here, and kick your right one up. Sweep back, come underhand here, kick your left one up. Sweep back, come underhand here, kick your right one up. Sweep back, left one. Sweep back, right one. Sweep back, left one. Sweep back, right one. The only tricky part about it, once you get the general feel, is that the first one was in opposite direction and was slightly different. All the rest of them are same direction. Start on this side, then it'll be the downstage leg, which is your left leg that's kicking, and your left leg is your standing leg right now, and then you're going to shift your weight to your right leg, come forward, bring both poi up. As you bring the leg up, stall, sweep back and turn left, coming out underhand here. You turned right. Let's do that again. So you're underhand, you should be in your T stance. Your right foot should be forward, your left foot should be back. Yes. Now we're going to kick up with the left foot. I'll go 5, 6, 7, 8, stall, kick, sweep, turn left, come out underhand on the left side. So if we're here like this, 5, 6, 7, stall, and sweep. And now you're facing the left. After the stall, you immediately sweep back. Okay? Remember, you're performing this not toward me, but toward the other way, so you want to turn left. So you stall forward, sweep back, turn left. We'll do it on this side also. So stall forward, sweep back, turn right. So turn away from me. This entire time you're going to turn away from me. So stall, sweep, ignore the feet. Your left foot is forward. Oh, or don't ignore the feet, but don't kick. Right? So we're underhand. 5, 6, 7, stall, pull it back, sweep back, turn right, come out underhand on your right hand side. This is what you're going to do with your hands. You're going to stall forward, then pull it back behind your ass. You have to remember to sweep back, right? We're doing a low sweep here. And then turn to the right. And then stall forward and pull it back behind your ass and pivot left. Exactly, then stall forward. And then pull it back behind your ass and pivot right. And stall forward. And pull it back behind your ass, pivot left. And stall, pull back, sweep back, pivot right, stall, pull back, sweep back, pivot left, stall, pull back, sweep back, pivot right, stall, pull back, sweep back, pivot left, stall, pull back, sweep back, pivot right, stall, pull back, sweep back, pivot left. Let's just do that poi part, because that's apparently new for you. 5, 6, 7, stall, sweep back, turn right. So maybe if you watch me from the back, that'll be helpful. So if I do it on my right side here, I'm stalling and then immediately coming into the low sweep. I'm stalling, immediately coming into the low sweep. Stalling into the low sweep. Stalling into the low sweep. So stall and sweep. 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 We'll do your preferred direction of chasing the sun. We're going to stall on the right. Here's what's going to happen. We'll go 1, we're at 3, and 2, and 1. Now turn to the right, stall, kick. And then you'll come up into clockwise chasing the sun. 3, and 2, and 1. Turn left, stall, kick. 3, and 2, and 1. And turn to the right, and stall, kick. And 3, 2, 1. Turning to the left, at the bottom, stall, kick. So every time you do the kick from the bottom, and you come, when you pull back into the low portion of the chasing the sun. Chasing the sun does switch direction, but what you're doing is at the bottom of it, you turn, kick, and then you turn, kick. Now I'm just doing 1 chasing the sun in the middle here, but you could do however many you want. I mean, the point was really, I really was just trying to start you off with just this, which just this, to this, to this, to this. But if it helps you to put the chasing the sun in the middle, go for it. Circle underhand here and stall. We'll do it slow motion. And then pull this back behind your ass, turn right, and stall. And pull this back behind your ass, turn left, and stall. And pull this back behind your ass, turn right, and stall. And pull this back behind your ass, turn left, and stall. And pull this back behind your ass, turn and stall. Pull 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 back behind your ass, turn and stall. So maybe you've never explored this portion of the hip reel / chasing the sun with this stall reversal in the middle. This may just be a really good thing to be playing with. This is it's the other half of this one, where we do the up, over, down, up, over, down, and stall, up, over, down, and stall, up, over, down, and stall with a turn. So this is a similar thing, just not quite. We're using the top half where you're stalling in the middle as opposed to the bottom stalling in the middle. And if we start here, stall, pull back to the right, stall, pull back to the left, stall, stall. And you can just start with like a little movement like this. I think these exercises are also really good for learning how to time your poi and your leg, which I still feel like takes some effort, even in this context. It looks easier than I think it is to really get a good line.